So Namisindwa is an orphan right now, and it needs a mother. Namisindwa, the service delivery, the things that other districts are enjoying, Namisindwa doesn't enjoy. So that is why we come in a person like me with a voice like mine, and I say, can we stand for our people? That these services which other districts are enjoying can be able to reach to the downer person. And that is why I am standing as woman member of parliament.
Nyesimbire ahantebe y'abakyara abwa Kanungu district kandi ni hayo empapula erizoba ndahamya ngo ebyinzi hati byahwa ndi ready okwehandikisa aha biro 17 ayisitubire nayo simba ne ebizibu by'abakyara bararamu ba Kanungu n'aba Uganda. Ndi hakintu ky'obwegese bw'omwana w'omuhara munonga ekintu kya maternity leave, standard maternity leave y'abakyara abazaara, ekintu ky'okurwanyisa obworo omu maka especially nakukira munonga omu bakazi omu bakyara n'ezindi challenges nyingi ez'abakazi ba Kanungu n'abakazi ba Uganda bararabamu.
ABAGALA TV okumanya we kutandikira.
Muzadde munnange teri kyabukaga kyoyinza kuwa mwana wo okujjako okumutwala mu ssomero eddungi. Light the World Kindergarten Primary School ly'essomero w'oyinza okutwala omwana wo. Bano basomesa abaana okuviira ddala ku top kirasi okutuuka ku kibiina ekyokusatu. Bayigiriza abaana kompyuta n'ava buto ng'amanyi ekyokukola. Balina ebyokuzanyisa by'abaana omwana n'alemwa kwetama kusoma. Bano balina n'emmotoka ekima abaana n'okubazaayo nga bamaliriza okusoma. Light the World Kindergarten Primary School basangibwa Kasubi gwabeetaaze bakubira ku ssimu zino wammanga 0757 97 799 98 oba 0760 89 33
babaka abayiwandisiza n'abeerusi 5 266 bogatta abaze bawandiikibwa okutuuka ku nnaku olwaleero 1834 omugatte tulina abantu 2,100 abakeewandiisa nga baagala okuweereza mu NRM structures. Eri abadde abuuza nti abantu nga bajja banyi nga n'abamu ba incumbent bawangadde nnyo ebisanja 3, 4, 5 bakandidate abamu basusse mu constituencies zimwe ndala zina abantu 10 n'okweyongerayo. Ekisooka waliwo enteekateeka ey'okusinkana abeesimbyewo mu bitundu gye bali tusobole okendeza ku pressures za constituency, naye era tekitegeeza nti n'abamaze ekiseera nga baweereza bajja gambye baveemu lwakuvaamu olw'okuba baluddewo obala lwakuvaamu nga bavudde mu ntegeeragana. Ekisembayo kibadde kyakubuuza ddala ensimbi si nnyingi. Ekituufu kiri nti ekyobungi kisinzirako gwa kirowooza naye si kyakuba nti kyabukugu mu ngeri gy'okibalirira, kubanga ne twalina obukadde 2 ate abeesimbawo baali batono kyokka ate bufuusa 3 abeesimbyewo basinga obungi. Lwekyo kiri mu birowoozo bye yakibuuzizza naye sirowooza nti kiri mu bungi bwa nsimbi eziweebwayo, kubanga abantu bafe abeesimbyewo bamanyi lwaki ensimbi ezo tuzibajjako era zigenda kukola emirimu egikwata ku kibiina nabo okubasobozesa okuyita.
I'm standing as the LC5 chairman of Butaleja district. I have come to make sure that I transform the district into one that is more efficiently run. There is a lot of corruption that's ongoing in terms of job recruitments for people. A lot of money is being charged from applicants unnecessarily. In terms of work being done, when you look at the roads, you look at the hospitals, the money which is meant to reach there does not get to do the work that is supposed to do. Farmers do not have the right help in order to earn the incomes that they should be earning as farmers. You have so many categories of issues that we need to address, and I've come to make sure we make Butaleja a better place.
Musayi mujeche omwana omujeche nyoza kubaletera scholarship bamayi esi muri yesizana kuli nizi programs za government zesi government ibitsa mu mapesa gabadabula kale sebulo biratifu nga MP wenye musayi mujeche umuntu ni busale ni gumukono gwe yangaji iza kumakinga sure the programs government zose buli muntu wenyuma abenga azifuna kuli ni banamwandu kwaba ni banamulekwa kwaba ni babana mu zifamily bakanyala kudabusa ku quality education da odiyo omwana mu family agana kusoma nekawo mutu wambako munana mukono da senga bulobera chifu niza kuleta buwanga mu Bungoko North kubenga kutusawo chirima chesibe kugendera emyaka gyose seni capacity ni busale ni busobozi zingudo nanyi mwazibona zingudo bali maluna kulwe campaign atingesi kuli season ye campaign mwezi Gusemba yo batule bali kuli mazingudo uiteba myaka givitire be bali yena nesenga bulobe bakumbinga shuet we have our roads and okay the education system is okay bana befe bali kusoma bulayi madwaliro gabenga gaongerwamo kubeko ni NGOs senga honale bonga mwana ondere za kuleta bu NGOs zibenga ziyambira ku government kwambira adwe na kubenga kuidabusako social services zinda izibenga zida batu befe fenga babungo North usire nga budwale wanale bubyangu bufumbu kuli ni resources inga ihiru yefes kuli na yewe we can bring tourist attractions, you can bring investors.
Like her, she can stand up very fast and make sure that at least she's standing with the people. We are looking forward to be with you people of Lambuli. I cannot serve alone, but I have to serve with you. That's what I can tell you. Me as a person, I cannot serve without you. I have to serve with you. And it is through your guidance, through your support, that we can make Bulambuli a better home, a better place for all of us. Because I grew up in Bulambuli and I know what it means being.
Be easy by NRM government for the young people to participate in the political matters or their governance. So to the people of Lower Mari constituency, I pledge to work with you on issues affecting the quality of our life. And I believe with God's grace, I should be the right person to stay at Lower Madi in the next 5 years.
Nyanza Nyangolidi yani Ojuma, ndi mwala Pastor Jimmy Ojuma we Chiboga Town, ndi muchala Musawo, era nga ndi omukwaba bavuddeyo okubanga nvuganya ku kifo kya MP wa Chiboga West. Njagala okutwala omukisa guno okwogerako eri abalonzi bange aba Chiboga West nti ezimu ku nsonga ezandeetera oba ezampaliriza okubanga neesowolayo nzijemba sabo obuwagizi bwammwe munzikirize nzikoleko ensonga esookera ddala ekwatagana ku byabulamu nze nzikirize munaba muntaddemu obwesige ngenda kubeera mu ssaale okulaba nga ensonga y'obulamu tugikwasaganya nga bannakiboga West okulaba nga tufuna services ennungi nga bwe tulina okuzifuna ensonga endala y'amasomero fera tukimanyi bulungi nti amasomero gaffe ge tuyita aga UPE gasaba ssente naye muntu kyasobola okuvaayo okubeera omutabaganya mu nsonga eyo okulaba nga abaana baffe abasinga tebabeera ku byalo nga batambula butambuzi n'okufuna solution eyokulaba nga abaana baffe basobola okuba nga basigala.
Contest for my people, you know, Amur district is bordering southern Sudan and we have got a lot of challenges. Part of the district also receive refugees. So we need to see how we can integrate the two different communities. How will they live together? Again, we have got also a lot of challenges. Amur district is one of the districts in northern Uganda which has got the influx of the Balalo people. So there has been a lot of challenges. You find people's crops are being destroyed. So when I'm the chairperson, we will have to work to see how we can harmonize the two community members to live in harmony. And then those who have not complied.
Forcha Entebbe Municipality Member of Parliament. Shakono Loya Mutendeke amanyi okuteesa ensonga z'abantu babulijjo. Era nze wano okulaba nti abantu baffe abali mu Entebbe tugenda kutambula nabo mu byonna mu nsonga zonna. Era ndi musanyufu nnyo okukima fomu zino era tujja kukomawo batunominating tugende mu kalulu.
Nsonga ki ezo?
Of course tulina ensonga mpitirivu. Tulina of course abavubi balina ebizibu beetaaga buyambi, abavubuka, abakadde, ba PWD, abakyala bonna balina ensonga ne pate yaffe era kansubire ku luno tujja kwangula kalulu ka Member of Parliament ne cha flag
to represent northern Uganda in the house in the Parliament of Uganda to see a difference being done in the leadership of young people. For so many years, I've interacted with the young people of northern Uganda in its entirety, and there has been an outcry that the leadership of young people in parliament in the position of youth MP has not been as fruitful as it's desired by the young people of this region. I want to assure the young people that this time round, given the opportunity, there will be
eri abasoma nga bazira mirimo ndi kwenda kubaira obozi eri abantu bona bona era n'entalo gitu n'entalo mbitirivu aye ndi kwenda okuba oyo agaita ndi kwenda okuba dalaja oba bridge ejjo kubanga egaita abantu baifa ababukooli kuba okulwanagana kubaire wata aba okulwanagana to abankulankulana so ndi kwenda okuba maama wa buli omu nga tasosola nga tayawula era nga tali kulumangana n'abantu eruyi n'eruyi nze nzira mu kampu da bugiri aye ndidiire buli muntu wa bugiri solo okuba abantu ab'omwana w'endandala omwana omukooli nga tuli mu mirembe era tuli ne byenkulankulana. Esther Kadaya mirembe kafuko mukyala yasomaku era nga mbaire muweereza ebugiri mu bitongole bya compassion ni World Vision era omukyala ono agire nga aguma ku baana ab'endawulo nga tubawa ku bursaries nga tubawa ku sponsorship nga tutwala ku abaana mu nsi ed'okulira okujja okubalongoosa abalwaire nga tubasomesa kwegamba eriyo nibetalezeeku bendi kwenda.
That's an issue of leadership. There are a lot of enabling factors. The peace that we enjoy today, the security that we enjoy today, the different government programs. But without proper leadership, you find that the locals will always miss out. So that's what I bring on the table. We also need infrastructure development. Currently, we still face a challenge of using the ferry. So if I'm to take it literally, in Moyo, you start to enter Moyo at 7 a.m. That's when the ferry starts to operate. And by 7 p.m. the ferry stops to operate. So that means within that time there is no more activity, economic activity. And this affects the development of the district. So we need people who have lobbying and advocacy skills. We need Laropi Bridge built. We are not going to get this while seated.
Amagara g'abantu garukubi education wages burukubi tugirangu uto nabazayi bababiha nkaburijo abashana bababiha tine bakuza tuba kubashakira bweni nyenda kuzo parliament kushakira abantu banje bakazo count.
I'm known by the names Kampanya Abdul Swaibu from Budaka district, Ikiki constituency. I'm vying for the position of parliamentary to represent my people of Ikiki. It is a high time now that Ikiki can also raise and be known. Very few know about this constituency, Ikiki. For one reason, we have not been ably represented as people from Ikiki. Even when you are to check in the Hansards of Parliament, you will realize that you will find no contribution or very little contribution from Ikiki constituency. Our people have so many challenges that have not been handled, that I, Kampanya Abdul Swaibu, have been forced to come up to contest and seek mandate from my people so that we can handle various challenges. There are so many challenges.
There are wrangles, too much wrangles, which is not good. Once you have the wrangles in the village, in the home, you will not develop. So that's what is putting Kaliro down. There is no development in the Kaliro district. So that's why I'm going there to put things right, to develop the district.
Aku expressing the interest yange okuba district chairperson owa district ena Mutumba mu 2026 paka 2030. Ensonga lwaki tusitukirewo okubanga tuida okwetanira obukulembeze tuli kwenda kubanga tuiza nsa mu bukulembeze zirata kidi nti ekifo ekya district chairperson n'ekifo ekihandolinga budget running a district n'ekifo ekireceiving esente directed from central government okurunning emirimu da district aya ate na Mutumba ebintu bibaire bitambula bubi esente badigema bubi, abavubuka tibafuna sente, abakyala esente tidifunika mu bibiina byabwe, ate nga n'abandi abafuna edda PDM babatoola ku esente at the watch of the district leadership. Therefore tituli kujja kuba nga tulingirira nga district yaife evunda ng'ate tusobola okuba nga tuvaayo twatekinga mante ey'obukulembeze.
Today I've come to pick my nomination forms for Member of Parliament for Kagoma County. My name is Mukembo James, aspiring Member of Parliament for Kagoma County in Jinja District. I want to thank God that today I've been positioned to come and pick my nomination forms, and I want to assure the people of Kagoma County that the journey now has begun. It is today, and it's today that our journey of taking us to Parliament has begun, and I want to mobilize all my people of Kagoma County to rally behind me, because we have been, for 10 years, Kagoma County has lacked a credible Member of Parliament. This is the time that they should trust me and vote for me as a Member of Parliament. I want to deliver services to the people. I want Robe for DC, for my constituents. I want to mobilize the youth. I want to mobilize the women. I want to mobilize everybody in my constituents. I want to see that the health sector in my constituents is improved. I want to see that the road network in my constituents are improved. I want to see that the education sector in my constituents are improved. I want to do this by robbing government, by robbing private partners, to ensure that my constituents, people, have to check.
Magira engeri yegakozeemu enda okubakakasa nti kuluno njakolera n'amaanyi era ndi kusaba abo bonna nti bayire emabega wange, buli muntu ali kugezaako okuyida ndi kumusaba ayire emabega wange tugezeeko okubona nti Tereza Namutumba district tuboine engeri y'entebeekeza Namutumba ezira keerere ezira kulwanagana, aba technical staff tubayire bulala nabo, era ndi kusaba ndi kweyama nti ndakola kabiri ntyo era ndagezaako okuboneka nti ndiza abantu obulala bawona alibo Member of Parliament abo tibaligemaga ndagezaako okubayiza obulala nga bwe ndikola, kubanga mboine engeri okulwanagana kuno ne kuno, ate ife mukukola okwaife titwawirewo wetuba mu constituency isatu donodona ngezizaako okola bulungi nagezaako okolera abantu bonobona nga mbalansinga aye banaife balinga ku myaka edaawa nga tiba balansinga ng'omuntu akola side ndala ayenze banange mu boine engeri yenkozeemu ebintu nimye amagira nimye natinda n'enanda ekisiiro boine mpolo.
A postgraduate diploma and a Master of Science degree in Development Management from United Kingdom, and a Doctor of Philosophy in Public Policy and Administration from United States of America. I have had the motivation to serve the people with disability after I'd been serving the most disadvantaged people and the most vulnerable for the last 30 years in the course of my work with international organizations, United Nations, and other institutional donors. I learned so much experience and expertise that I felt that it is time to come back home and serve my fellow people with disability